So the EPIRM is a diagonal corner swap PLL, as you can tell by no matching corner stickers, and it's also recognizable because it's a corners only PLL and all of the edges are solved. So you'll notice that two corners will need to switch with each other, and the other two will also need to switch with each other. So it's essentially a two pair corner switch. So what you want to do is get the top side to face you and have the two pairs of switching corners vertical. So these two need to switch. As you can see, this needs to go here and this needs to go here. Have that coming up and down, and have these two coming up and down like this. So these two need to switch and these two need to switch. So you want to do this algorithm. Right, up inverted, right inverted, down, right, up, right inverted, down inverted, right, up, right inverted, down, right, up inverted, right inverted, down inverted. That solves the EPIRM.